Fernando Babo Kabalen. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is MarQuee Mall of Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. Guys, for today, meron tayong special guest.
Yeah.
Josiah! So, actually, aso siya ni Mark and nandito tayo ngayon sa Bizarre Pet Haven dito sa Angeles City. So, samahan niyo po kami. We're gonna talk about their services and products for, your pets.
Yes. And this will be a new innovation para sa mga pet lovers.
Exactly. So, samahan niyo po kami. Let's go! Welcome to Bizarre Pet Haven, the newest pet care services in Pampanga that is an absolute necessity in this new normal pandemic setup. At Bizarre Pet Haven, they cater almost everything and anything that your pets need. They have food and accessories, as well as grooming services that is worry-free. As soon as you book your pet for their services, the team will go to your address and get your treasured animal so they can take care of it at the pet shop's headquarters. Once the service is done, they will deliver your pet back to your address. Pickup and delivery within 3-kilometer radius from their shop is free. Outside 3-kilometer radius applies a very minimal fee. They are open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and is located at 2nd floor TDL Building, Marlim Boulevard Extension, Don Bonifacio, Barangay Pulong Maragul, Angeles City. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Any reactions coming from you guys is highly appreciated. We hope to see you in the next video. Bye!